Wondering what the next sector is that might have some movement and some money to be made in it? I think I might have one for you today. Let's talk about it. Greetings, and salutations to all my brothers and sisters out there. Hopefully, the market finds you well here this week that's going on. That's kind of been a kind of mediocre week, a strong looking week, but we just haven't had those crazy move upsides. We've had some crazy moves, but they're still moving. And what I wanted to bring to you today in the middle of this week is a sector that I believe is going up. We've already talked about space stocks. We're looking at financials now. Well, let me give you one that I really think's got some juice to it, and that's the drone world. I believe the drone stocks are absolutely poised and ready to go up, up, up. And I think there's going to be big money to be made in drones, and that's why I'm watching them right now. And drone stocks just go beyond just delivering you some Amazon and some pizza or spying on your neighbor's pool and wishing you had one. There's a lot of usage that's just growing and growing and growing in the drone world. Let's just think about it this way. The drone world is used by a lot of insurance adjusters, even roofers that are just looking at how much it's going to cost to replace a roof instead of walking around on them anymore, because it's much safer, much easier and quicker. And in that same vein, you have towers that are being inspected that way, wind turbines, pipelines, they're all being inspected by drones. That is a much simpler, easier process to inspect things. And it goes beyond that. What about fire and rescue? They're using tons of drone work for especially wildfires. The fire department's got all kind of good stuff going on. Agriculture is using drones big time nowadays. Warfare, with you see the conflict that's going on in Iran right now, they're using tons of drones. And I guess if we're going to talk about it, I think that the defense systems and the space world are who are really going to use drones the most. We've seen rockets already going up and up and up, and they just continue to go up. But I believe the drones are right behind them. If you have the fortuity to be in Rocket Labs now. Rocket Labs is actually a crossover. They do a lot of work in that rocket world, but they're also a lot of work in the drone world. So that's a great stock to watch. And it's already been going up. We've been watching it for a month, and it's probably up 50-60% since we've been watching it. And you also have a lot of other stock. Let's think about stocks like RCAT and UMAC. Both of those, I think, are the ones that's coming on right now. But nobody's really made a push to say they're the ones that's going to do it. We're going to lead the charge. So those are two that I've been waiting on. In full disclosure, I've already been selling puts and doing different trades in UMAC for quite a while. It likes to ride that $8 to $10 for a while, but now it's been staying at least at 12. So definitely keep an eye on those. And none of this is financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but this is just, what I'm doing, and something that you might want to watch. It's kind of interesting. Let's look at some more. ONDS, Katos is a long-term player in this sector. They're the ones that probably is a more familiar name to a lot of people. AVAV, a new player that's coming on that I'm kind of watching and excited about, because I like small price stocks. If you're a small account, new trader, or even if you don't have $150,000, $200,000 account, then you can go ahead and trade these nice little stocks and get in and out of them. Even if they get you in the end, hey, you know what? It's not too bad, because they're going to be volatile. It's going to be an up and down thing for a long time. So just understand what you're getting into. This is going to be a volatility thing, but it's going to be a great play for those who are longer term investors who like to buy and hold some stock. Get a hold of a good one low and ride it up to, who knows, 100, 200 fold. So we also have the possibility of those swing traders. If you're a swing trader, it'd be great to get in on these stocks and ride them up, 10, 15% before they have a dip, get rid of them, get back in them, and do those things that you do. And if you're an options investor, forget about it. It's going to be fantastic. Selling puts, all strategies are going to work out on these as long as you're bullish on them. So, it's going to be a fantastic time. And I think there's just a load of them. Even stocks like Boeing have a kind of an interest in that drone world. So it is vast, and as we've talked about before, there is a lot of picks and shovels kind of trades within the trades. So put this on your radar. Get this watch list out. Make your watch list of drones that has all the drone stocks that you want to look at. Pop in on it, check it out, see how it's going, watch it, dip your toe in the pool, put on, maybe you put credit spread or whatever case you may want to be. Maybe you throw an iron condor and something naked, who knows? Whatever level you're at and whatever you want to do. You do you. Whatever you think you should do and whatever you're comfortable with, that's what I always recommend, and nothing more. If it makes you uncomfortable, if it makes you stay awake at night, you're doing it wrong. So let's start looking at drones. Let's look at the stocks that we've got. Let's try to find a couple on our own, and we'll keep touching base back on them. But I wanted to make sure and get these out to you as quick as possible. Let's put drones on that list. Let's keep an eye on them. And hey, I'll talk to you more about it on Friday after the bell. Have a great week trading, and we'll see you soon.